Just arrived here at Tameron Gulf Coast. We have this 2018 Jeep Renegade Latitude Edition that's factory certified. On the outside we have power and heated door mirrors, rear backup camera, and blind spot and cross path protection system. Inside we have easy to clean cloth seating for 5 with heated front seats, push to start technology and automatic temperature control. The 7-inch touchscreen display has Bluetooth, Apple Carplay and Andriod Auto to keep you connected. This 2018 Jeep Renegade has less than 33,000 miles, factory certified, and comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give us a call at 251-626-2641 or visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.